Hi Hannah, Pastor Kyle here. So I'm making these videos to help you with your piano songs while we're both away and while we're gone in Atlanta. So both of the songs that you're doing are in 3/4. That means that each measure gets an equivalent of 3 beats. And remember we talked about that steady beat like a dripping faucet, drip, 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 drip. So whether you have counts of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The steady beat stays the same. The same as for 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this song, Juanita, is in 3/4, and the left hand is in quarter notes, and it has a steady beat. So regardless of what the right hand is doing, we're counting in 3, and I'm going to play the first 2 lines for you. It goes like this. 1, ready, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the left hand is playing steady beats regardless of what the right hand is doing. The left hand has those steady beats. So sometimes the right hand's going to be playing fast notes, sometimes it's going to be playing held notes, but that left hand keeps the steady beat of the quarter notes. Now the right hand, the melody is, if I'm counting in 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can think of it like the long tas and the TT, so it's ta, TT, ta, 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 ta, ta. Okay, so let me play both hands together. I'm going to take it down just a little bit, the tempo, so we're not playing too fast. Notice how the left hand keeps that steady beat. Regardless of what the right hand is doing, left hand is keeping steady beat. Okay? So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So notice there's sometimes, like in the first measure, you have the TT. The right hand has the quicker notes, but the left hand still keeps the steady beat. Now let me play the next 2 lines for you. This is the end of the song, and actually the DC al fine, which is the DC, looks like al fine, actually goes back to the beginning and then finishes at the fine, which is at the end of the second line there where you see the word fine. It's actually pronounced fine. That means that's the end of the song. So the second half, you still have the steady beat in the left hand, but you have some different notes now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay, so again, there's that steady beat, the dripping faucet. It doesn't speed up, doesn't change. Left hand has a real steady beat. Now the melody in the right hand is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So here's how it sounds all together. 1, ready, and. Again, notice that the left hand has that real steady beat regardless of what the right hand is doing. So you can't let the left hand try to follow what the right hand is playing. Left hand is keeping that steady beat. Let me play it all the way from the top, and what I'm going to do is repeat then back to the beginning and play the first 2 lines again. Okay? So it goes from the very beginning all the way through, back to the beginning, and end at where it says fine. Okay? Here's the song. 1, ready, and. Anyway, that's the whole song with all of the repeats. Practice hands separately and then try putting them together. You can take the tempo down a little bit. But again, remember that the right hand is going to do something independent from what the left hand is doing. Left hand's just keeping the beat. Right hand has the melody. I hope this is helpful, and I'll have another video for you for the German dance.